Welcome to ASMR SHANA, your ultimate relaxation experience. Hello and welcome to ASMR SHANA. I'm so glad you're here. Sit back, relax, and let me take care of you. Today, we're going to focus on something incredibly soothing, a deep and gentle ear cleaning session. Before we begin, find a comfortable spot, maybe put on your coziest blanket, and let yourself sink into pure relaxation. Feel free to close your eyes as I softly guide you through this experience. Let's start with some gentle ear brushing. I'll take this soft, fluffy brush and slowly glide it along the curves of your ears. Can you feel that? Light and feathery strokes, just like a whisper against your skin. Now, I'm using a cotton swab to carefully clean the outer edges of your ear. Soft little circular motions, no rush, just a delicate, soothing touch. Imagine all the stress melting away as I continue. Next, let's move on to a little warm oil treatment. A few drops of warm oil, drip, drip, sinking deep inside. You might hear tiny crackles and bubbles as the oil gently works its magic. It's a comforting sound, isn't it? Now, let's do a little ear tapping and massaging. Tap, tap. A light, rhythmic tapping on the outside of your ears, followed by a slow, relaxing massage. This helps improve circulation and makes you feel completely at ease. I'm going to whisper softly now. Shoo! Just let go of any tension. You are safe, you are calm, and your mind is clear. And now, to finish, I'll gently wipe your ears with a warm, damp cloth, softly patting them dry. There you go, all fresh and clean. Thank you for joining me today at ASMR SHANA. I hope you feel refreshed and relaxed. Until next time, take care and sleep well.